Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Electactic Ice Maker's countertop and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver ice quickly and efficiently. But which one stands out? We'll examine their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's talk about speed. The Electactic ice maker produces 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, making it one of the fastest options on the market. In contrast, the Igloo model takes 7 to 8 minutes to produce 8 cubes. If speed is your priority, the Electactic has the edge here, ensuring you have ice ready in no time for your gatherings. When it comes to design, the Electactic features a simple black plastic exterior, which is functional but may not appeal to everyone. On the other hand, the Igloo boasts a sleek stainless steel finish that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. If aesthetics are important to you, the Igloo might be the better choice. Both machines come with impressive features. The Electactic offers dual ice sizes, allowing you to choose between 2 types of bullet ice, which is a great advantage for versatility. Meanwhile, the Igloo is designed to be ultra-compact, making it perfect for smaller spaces. Both units also include a self-cleaning function, ensuring easy maintenance. Depending on your needs, each has its unique strengths. In conclusion, both the Electactic and Igloo ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Electactic excels in speed and versatility, while the Igloo shines with its stylish design and compact size. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.